I teach at IFM because historically it is one of the leaders of business schools in Switzerland and Geneva.
The atmosphere for me is really good in the class because they're a small group of people, which means that you really get to know your classmates and work together as a team really well. Overall atmosphere at IFM is incredible. It's really unmatched, and you know, the teachers, the administration, they cannot do enough for you.
I guess my best memory at IFM is the meaningful relationships we built both with my classmates and with my professor.
Hi, my name is Caroline Zirexzadeh. I spent most of my career working in the watch industry, 28 years, and it culminated with my posting as CEO of the Swatch Group US and Canada and Caribbean. I felt that IFM really had everything from a very good and long tradition, but also to a very innovative curriculum.